Ordering Doordash with a Visa gift card is possible, but there are a few important things you need to know. First, make sure your Visa gift card is activated. Some cards require activation online or by phone before they work. Once activated, check the balance so you know exactly how much is available. Now, open the Doordash app or website, go to Account and then Payment Methods, and tap Add Payment Method. Enter the Visa gift card details just like a regular debit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Here's the key part. Doordash often requires a billing zip code. If your gift card doesn't have one, visit the card issuer's website and register a zip code to the card. This step fixes most payment failures. When placing your order, make sure the total, including tax, fees, and tip, does not exceed the card balance. Doordash may decline split payments unless you add a backup card. If the card still doesn't work, add it to PayPal or Apple Pay first, then select that as your payment method. That's it. Activated card, zip code added, and enough balance, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.